clip. Where are we off to, Gibbo?
We're in Adelaide Hills at the moment, and we're heading off to the Wavell Showgrounds in Adelaide for the camping show.
Because why?
Because we want to buy stuff!
It never ends. Never ends. Always
Well,
say.
we need things.
God, but this is it, he goes. We don't need anything else. But wait,
But it's on special!
get 2 for 1.
No, well, we do need stuff. Like tyre monitors and all your safety gear that we still don't have. So this is the perfect time to buy them and get a bit of discount.
Yeah.
Need some bags from the back.
Yep. Trying to tidy things up. So there's not just loose items rolling around in the back. So
Yeah.
see how that goes.
And probably a couple of bags because we just put a new rack on the back of the car, which is going to be perfect for firewood. So a couple of bags, heavy duty bags for firewood.
Yep.
Just a few things like that, I reckon. Should be good.
Yeah. We bought those, Gibbo bought the bags that you put in your drawer with the clear top last time we were at one of the shows.
And they're fantastic. And they've got the tinted. So it's not
plastic.
clear, it's got the tinted plastic. So, which looks great. They look black bags, tinted plastic, they look beautiful. Wasn't thinking, get clear so you can see in better. Because it's tinted, you're looking into dark. I didn't even give that a thought. So yeah, for someone else looking at it, do what I didn't do, and have a good think about it.
Yeah. But they're working a treat though, aren't they?
Oh, I think, seriously, yeah, I had crap everywhere in my drawers, and every time you'd open it up and I'd go to find something, I think, oh, I can't be bothered. Now I've got, a couple of bags with everything in, and I know, and I pretty much know, it'll be in that bag, because I'm keeping that sort of stuff in that bag. Pull the bag out, open it up, go through it, close it up, chuck it back. It's so good.
Yes.
So good. Best thing, one of the best things we've done in a long while.
Instead of taking 5 minutes to find something, you can do it in one.
Doing a matter of seconds now, I reckon.
True.
That's pretty bloody good.
And it helps you stay organised, don't you reckon?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, hands down.
Anyway, we'll see you at the show.
Changed from colour to grayscale. I think it looks a lot nicer.
What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments.
I want one of them.
You're not getting one.
There we go. Look for drifter.
Is this the boat you want, Gibbo?
Yeah. It's about all we can afford or carry, I think. Great idea, aren't they?
They are a good idea.
Hey, check this out. Seal the bag, there's a one-way valve. The machine simply goes over the valve, sucks out the air, and that is how easy it is. Never waste your food again. So you'll find that your meat will last you 3 to 4 weeks fresh in the fridge. Ideal for the freezer as well on meat, no freezer burn. Avocado lasts you roughly 3 weeks fresh in the fridge. It's longer than my first marriage, as I said before. Two, they hardly take up any... Okay, got me there. Hey, they're a great storage as well, so it really does store super good.
Coffee time, mate. This is the rooftop we're going to get, isn't it?
Yeah,
But the 1600, not the 2000. So ours was smaller.
Yeah.
But just due to, well, not even weight, it was weight on the canopy. We had to have it over the roof, didn't we?
Yeah.
In retrospect, I think we're better off now anyway.
I love the padding in it. That's what got me. I like the insulation.
Oh, yes. Yes. Anya, swag for you.
I'd fit in there.
Look how tiny that is. See, I reckon ours is better the way it opens up from the side. You look at, you lose all that. I feel like you lose all that end.
Yeah.
Now they're ideal. The way they double open up.
Oh, yeah.
Even better than ours. They feel huge in ours.
Yeah, it's different, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're good steps, aren't they? Certainly nice and high.
Yeah. I really like the idea of them. I think it's better than a camper trailer.
Yeah.
You can put your walls up or whatever. Like, take them anywhere, and I don't know. I think they're great.
That's what you've been looking at.
Yeah, through holes. Same as I like this, but this makes it really huge. That bed's just good just to chuck all your junk on, probably. Then you got a big, a bloody big bed up there. You got a full kit, like full lounge.
Oh, yeah.
What would it like to see that? Well, it's comfortable enough.
It is, isn't it?
Wow. They're getting good, aren't they?
Aren't they? The annex is huge.
G'day, mate. How are you? You doing all right?
Yeah.
It's good. So you should. You got good products. So that's what they look like inside, eh?
So what size are you looking for?
I don't know, probably, I think 800 by 600. I got on the phone, but I wasn't thinking around. Like they're round, I was thinking more of a square, like that.
Yeah.
Like that, that's what I was sort of. But yeah, round would probably work alright anyway. Probably exactly the same, because we want handles and that on it as well, don't we? Because it's going to be firewood, that one.
Okay, yep. And two of those?
Two of those things, yeah.
Induction?
Remember when I said I could get the double ones? Lovely. Oh, check this out. Probably one of the best insect repellers I've seen. They fly near that and it cuts their heads off.
Actually, I do want one of those.
Well, that was a nice surprise at the show, wandering around for a little channel, having a few people come up to us and say g'day, and lovely people. It was great. Hopefully we'll get to see them out on the road at some stage.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fantastic, wasn't it?
Yeah, very good. Don't be shy to say hello.
No,
Yeah, we love you introducing yourself to us. So
yeah,
thank you for your support.
yeah, and it was inspirational. I can tell you that right now. And please, good or bad comments, just leave some comments. We love just to hear from people. I just want to let everyone know that all the products that we show, we're not affiliated with anyone or sponsored by anyone. We'll always give our honest opinion. And this little channel makes no money. It costs us money. We've never asked and never will ask for money from people. We're just doing it as a pay forward, as we're watching a lot of channels ourselves, and we got a lot of tips and inspiration from other people. And we're just trying to pay it forward.
Yep. And don't let this hat fool you, because that was a freebie when we got the mats through. So.
Yeah, that's right. Which is actually Sea Gear. The Sea Gear mats.
Which have proven to
Best
be really
mats.
good. They're awesome.
They are the best.
But we love buying products and then sharing them with you and letting you know what we think of them. So
Yes.
yeah.
And we can only go, when we say the best, we think they're the best out of what we have tried up to date.
Yes.
So that's all we can do.
Yep. Anyway, bye for now.